RD2DNY, Real World HVAC Simplified. And now in this video, I just want to let you guys hear this chiller runs, this old KKT chiller. I've recently done a video on it regarding replacing these contactors, DIN rail mountable contactors, right? These C-main contactors. But I just want to, just let you guys listen to this sweet symphony, all right? Our background music as you may, because my channel, is real time, real world, unedited. But this chiller, the job has been completed on it. The repairs for now, partially completed. This is still right here, is still a hack because this fan is down, so I had to cover it up so the air doesn't bypass from the fan that's currently working. But it's cold right now. We're in New York. It's cold, so really still doesn't need that. And you can see that the one that's working is cycling on and off because the pressure is still below normal, so it cycles on and off. But enough of that, enough talking. Just listen to this thing work. I'm just gonna go around so you guys can see it. And note, the compressor doesn't cycle off even though it reaches set point, because it uses a hot gas bypass for capacity control. So whenever the temperature reaches close to set point, which is currently (9°C, the hot gas solenoid will open and it will send the discharge gas from the compressor straight into the evaporator inlet or the TXV outlet, which bypasses the metering device and thus controlling capacity. Oh, that sounds good. So if you have one of these chillers, this is what it should sound like if everything is in tune. This is a very old one, 2008, but it's still going. This is going. That compressor has some problem, that circuit number 2. Again, this is real world, real time, real HVAC simplified. So as you can see, it's maintaining the temperatures within 0.4 of a degree of set point, degree C of set point. Here is your fan cycling switch for the low speed of the fan, and fan cycling switch for the high speed of the fan. And this here is your high and low pressure safety. Let's take a look behind the controls panel. So this here 12K2 is clicking and away because compressor number 2 overload has been knifed off. Here's your condenser fan contactors. And I did a video, I'm gonna leave the link in the description, while I was replacing these on the DIN rail, how to unhook them. So yeah, this is an old KKT chiller. 2008 model, but it's still going. Now, if you have a KKT chiller, and if everything is in tune and is working good, this is how it's supposed to sound. The compressor never turns off. It's extremely unlikely. The compressor will cycle off even under low load, because right now it's under low load condition, and you see how it's operating. Condenser fan. These two combined runs the motor in the Y or star configuration, so it runs on low speed. And then this one and this one combined will run the motor in the delta configuration, which is high speed. And these other three over here are for the second circuit or second stage condenser fan. Both condenser fans are in parallel. They run together in pairs. But this is bad, as I told you. This is a hack right now, or temporary fix. Chiller is on the repairs. So I'm going to shut up right now, and for the last remainder of the video, just let you hear the sweet sounds of this chiller operating. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up right now. Before I go, so let you know, this solenoid right here in the bottom, that's the liquid line solenoid. That's the liquid line solenoid for your circuit number 1. And this solenoid right here, that's the liquid line solenoid for circuit number 2, which is currently down. This right here is the outgas or capacity control solenoid for circuit number 2. Alright, and then in the bottom there, down there, that's your capacity solenoid or hot gas solenoid for circuit number 1. And you can also remove these caps and adjust the valve how much gas you want to pass through. Okay, so this line right now is hot, the one for circuit number 1, because it's going right into the evaporator or TXV, evaporator inlet, TXV outlet. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you hadn't subscribed, subscribe. I do upload videos on a weekly basis.